You're driving down the highway on a cold winter's day. You feel like your trip's going on for miles and miles and it never ends. You're hungry, a little tired, and really have to use the bathroom, but are sick and tired of those crummy old gas station bathrooms. Boy, do I have the place for you, and it's just up ahead. No, this isn't a Walmart. This is Buc-ee's. Welcome to Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's, founded in the early 1980s, is a chain of convenience stores that are mainly in Texas but have started popping up all over the country. But it really wasn't until the early 2000s when they started experimenting with travel centers that you have the Buc-ee's that you see today. So let's go on inside and see what this place is about. The location we are visiting today is located in Smiths Grove, Kentucky, about 15 minutes north of Bowling Green and an hour and 20 minutes north of Nashville on I-65. So stepping in, when this was filmed, it was New Year's, so they already have their New Year's shirts out. They really have everything. Let's come on over here. Want flip-flops? They got it. Ornaments? Let me zoom out. They got it. LED snow globe truck. There's the holiday nutcracker. There's some more slippers. Thinking of taking a camping trip? They have everything you need. Want a pillow? Beach towel? Even a soccer ball. They have it. Of course, you know they gotta have shirts. They have magnets for every store. I'll end up even though I've been to this one before, I'll end up picking up one of these before I leave. Here's some more Buc-ee shirts. Some Christmas ornaments. And then, if that wasn't enough, want a Buc-ee doll? They have that too. But wait, there's way more. Now we're getting into the good stuff. But first, let's take a look over here. Like shopping at Hobby Lobby? Well, they have a mini version of that in their store. Not actual Hobby Lobby, but it's almost the same thing. Yeah, we're gonna need one of these. Shirts for each state, they got them. Buc-ee onesie. This is nothing. You should see the actual, let me see, it's here, I gotta find it. The actual Buc-ee onesie, it's hysterical. So as you can see, cart's already starting to fill up, and we haven't even gotten to the food yet. There's little mini Buc-ee's, bigger Buc-ee stuffed animals. Each of these stores has a truck that's themed to Buc-ee's, and look at the big mascot sitting in there. On select days, mainly weekends, you can actually get your picture taken with Buc-ee, like I did last year. Unfortunately, he's not here today since it's a Thursday. Okay, now, with Buc-ee's, the gifts are great, but you've come here for the food, so let's come over here. Want jerky? There's a wall. But wait, if that's not enough, there's a whole counter. Want some specialty meats? They got that too. So another thing that Buc-ee's is known for is their tacos, especially in the morning. It's not running right now, but they actually make their tortillas in-house, which is really neat. We have snacks galore. Want some meat? They got that. I'll be having to grab me one of these before I leave the store. Absolutely. This is my favorite dessert in Buc-ee's, the banana pudding. Beaver trips, this is another thing they're known for. They have a bunch of food over here. Hot cinnamon pull-apart. So it all sounds good. Texas cheesesteak burrito. We got some chicken, some veggie tacos, brisket burritos. Got chicken burritos, pulled pork and brisket mac and cheese. Wait, we're still not done. Let's come over here. You like fudge? They got a whole bunch of it here, a couple different counters, and they'll actually even let you try it as well. Now we're coming over to what I think is the best station in Buc-ee's, the Texas Round-Up station. We got club melts, chicken sandwiches, brisket sandwich. They have those beaver chips again. Some more brisket. And over here they have, excuse me, I'm sorry, pulled pork. They have turkey, apple pie. It all looks so good. But wait, there's more. Want a drink? They have any kind of flavor you want. So you have the cola, you have the lemonades, the cherry lime, the black cherry. They have all the cream sodas too. Now we can't go in there, but Buc-ee's does have world famous restrooms, and I can confirm that they are really clean. But you thought we were done? No, there's still more. Want some pickles? Stuffed peppers? They got it. And yes, if you like quail eggs, they have them too. They have honey, of course some jam, why not? The wall of candy. Pecans. Coming down here, they got their salsa. And then hot sauces. Seasonings, barbecue sauce. Want some beer? They have that too. Have all your sodas, just like in the fountain. Your sports drinks, your waters. And let's not forget about the chips either. They have beaver nuggets, cinnamon beaver nuggets, salted caramel beaver nuggets, white cheddar, bold and spicy, and some popcorn down there. I'm gonna be so fat when I leave this place. And earlier, I told you I'd show you one. Here they are. Buc-ee onesie. So over in this section, they have Buc-ee shirts of any kind. They have sweatshirts, they have sweatpants. They have dressier type shirts. There's some more sweatshirts, baby stuff. There's some more Buc-ee's merch. Really, if there's almost anything you want with a beaver, they have it. A beaver on the shirt, they have it. Long sleeve shirts, some more pajamas, and yes, they come in adult sizes. Here's some more of the Christmas merch. Jingle all the way to Buc-ee's. They got cards. They got everything. So I'm going to, now that I've toured the store, I'm going to check out and I'll show you what I got. Hello. So,
napkin.
Thank you. What did I end up getting here at Buc-ee's? Well, let's go through and I'll show you. So I went with the brisket mac and cheese, which is brisket. My father went for the brisket sandwich. So let's see how it tastes. Here it is. So there it is.
Sauce, but that is a little bit too much on the sandwich.
It's good. I think this is a pretty new item too. I haven't seen it before, but man, its brisket mac and cheese hits the spot. It's really good. And finally, for dessert, one of Buc-ee's main highlights, their banana pudding, which is absolutely delicious. So now that we're outside, I just want to take a pan of the gas pumps here. It goes all the way down there. There has to be, I'd say, 100, 120 pumps at this location. It's absolutely crazy. They have ice for 16 pounds, $1.99, which is a great deal. And if you live near the area, they do have job opportunities and they pay pretty well, with managers making up to $250,000 a year, plus extra pay on the weekend. Some other stuff they have here as you come in, they have firewood, corn, chairs, cooker, the bird feeder that has a camera, and a fish fryer, along with a 36-inch nutcracker. Even though their main growth is in Texas, Buc-ee's has opened numerous locations throughout the country in various states such as Alabama, Florida, South Carolina, Tennessee, and their newest state, Virginia. And finally, in front of every Buc-ee's travel center, there is a beaver with the location of each store on there. That just about does it for me here at Buc-ee's. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Say goodbye, Buc-ee. Not very talkative today. Take care. We'll see you next time.